Today in this video I'm going to be showing you this cool little trick you can do with the Poi Grip. Now you want to be able to do Poi Grips, so I would suggest going and watching that tutorial. There's a couple different ways to do this trick, but I'm going to show you this one way because it's the easiest. You want to get into the top Poi Grip and you want to be comfortable with the 2 finger wraps. On the wrap that's going counterclockwise, you stick your thumb in and you loosen your fingers so that this top chain falls over itself and goes under your thumb. And at this point, when you release your thumb and come out of that wrap, you're on your thumb now. This trick works in every Poi Grip essentially. You just have to wrap it to a point where it's tight, and then this chain can come off and go around your thumb. It'll come off and out of any grip that you're through. So if you choose to do mid grip, it comes out of mid grip. This trick is not very hard to do. The hard part is figuring out the tension you want in your hand with the chain. Now when I am about to do this trick, I try to spread this part of my hand as wide as I can. I want to spread these 2 points out. And what this does is it gives me the option to loosen it when I put my thumb in, and it makes the chain just slide right off. The key part of this trick is spreading your hand right before you do that Poi Grip so that you have the chain loose enough to let go of. This is a pretty neat trick because it feels like you're all tangled up and then all of a sudden you just unwrap and you're out. There's a lot of different ways you can do it, and hopefully you come up with some new ones yourself.